Today I would like to tell about something, what a photograph does to us in a day-to-day life, how we generally perceive photograph as and what it is, hiding behind the photograph, like what information is hiding in that photograph. So I would like to start with my example. This is my family pic. Now, when I see this pic, it is as normal as a pic. It can only tell me how I look like in 20 years ago, how my family looks like 20 years ago. It doesn't impact my emotional mind. It doesn't, give me any emotional thing. So what is this emotional thing? What is this latest technology it has got, like, DSLRs, SLRs? What they are doing? They are just bringing you emotional touch in every photograph. As you see, these days photography is very live. You can sense the person, you can feel what the person is feeling like. As you see in many sports photography or anything like that. So what is that? You are sometimes attached to your emotional feelings. I think many of you have these emotional feelings in your mind. Like you remember one deja vu, like one particular scene in your childhood, like something you have faced very peculiar, you're not familiar with, or something like that which remains in your mind for your rest of life. You can recall it after 60 years of your life also. So let me tell you one of my example. Like I was playing in childhood like some game, and then I had my hand fracture. So I don't remember who has taken me to the hospital. I don't remember how the process went and all. But I only remember this part, like my mother was entering into my room, and then I was my hand was held in my doctor's this thing, and he was doing the POP dressing over there. So my mother, when she came, like she was full of tears. I still remember that face of her. Like I can just imagine in my mind. I can tell you how she feels like at this particular moment also. So that is because my emotions are very linked with that part of scene. I could remember all those things. So now what the new technology has done to me. Now this is where my mother always had to, she had a wish to travel to Kerala temples, because she never seen those kind of temples. The architecture is totally different in Kerala. So I came to Kerala on a deputation on my company work. Then I took her to 15 varieties of Kerala temples. This is one Guruvayur temple, which is very famous in Kerala. So this was the pic, we shot it there. And you can see her, the smile at her face, like that is all. Like I have achieved something very big in my life. So I feel that emotional connect with it. Now after 50 years, whatever it is, I have an emotional bondage with this photo. Now this is, something which I'm going to keep in my bedroom after, everything is done in my life. So that is how photography has done to our, day-to-day life, or the perception of our photography. Now let me tell you another example. This is Jack and Jennifer. They are a lovely couple who were married in some time ago, and then they were happy in their life. But suddenly Jennifer was suffering from cancer. Then she had to go with chemotherapy and all. Then this was a particular, I was very impressed about Jack's work on this particular moment, because he was shooting every point of her life. And then, he was trimming her hair after the chemotherapy treatment, and she was suffering all those things, the cancer patient suffers, and he was shooting it very peculiar. Like you can see here, all the other people are nicely dressed, they were very fashionable. But look at her, she's somewhere deep in her, heart, feeling very congested. So this was all going with her, and then she wanted to enjoy some last, surprises. Like she wanted to do something, and this was her last birthday. And then, can you imagine how his husband has felt while shooting this pic? And then finally one day, Jennifer had to pass away. This was the last pic with her friends, and then one day she had passed away. So when Jack looked at this pic after many years, he had an emotional connect with it. As if I have with my pic of Guruvayur, he has some connection with this pic. But when you can see this way also, like photography is, it's a very elaborate thing. It's a very big world. Like when you see the emotional feeling which this pic is carrying and the other pic is carrying, they are totally 180 degrees different. So you should explore clicking your pics, carry a camera. That is something which you can do for the rest of your life and have some memorable moments. Thank you.